All right, class. So I forgot that the activity continued on to the next page. So here is the video for this page here. So what we're looking at are some pictures of some famous points on our planet. This is Mount Everest, the tallest point on the planet. You can see some people trying to hike to the top. People have unfortunately lost their lives trying to hike there. It's very, very difficult because it's so high up. It's really not a place where humans are meant to spend much of any time. But people try to do it. It's a major life accomplishment for a lot of people. Here is Mount Kilimanjaro, and you can see, I guess it's not quite as snow-capped as Everest, but it's a very, very high point in Africa. And this is the Mariana Trench. You can imagine there, it's way below sea level. You have to go way down there, way, way, way down, and then you're in this little trench here in this little area. So be very, very strange down there for sure. I don't think I'll ever be down in the Mariana Trench. I don't know about you. But they are very famous places, and so we're going to do some activities around them. So we have below some tables that show the elevations of highest points on land and lowest points in the ocean. Distances are measured from 0. So the elevations here for Everest, you can see 8,848 meters, and so on for these high points. And then down here, the trenches in the ocean, you can see their elevations. They're all, of course, below sea level, so they're all negative values. All right, so let's keep that in mind as we go through the activities questions. Which point in the ocean is the lowest in the world? So if you look at this here, the lowest in the world, this is actually a case where you are going to choose what you might confuse for the biggest number. This is actually the smallest number, Mariana Trench. Negative 11,033 meters. This is the lowest elevation. Okay, so Mariana Trench. I should change the color, yeah? Make it into pink. Okay, what is its elevation? Well, we just said its elevation is negative 11,033 meters, or 11,033 meters below sea level is another way to think about that. Which mountain is the highest in the world? Well, I kind of already said that. It's actually Mount Everest, you can see here. Okay, so let's go ahead and click in here. I want it to be pink. Mount Everest. Okay, so there we go. All right, so you get the point there. So if we plot the elevations of the mountains and trenches on a vertical number line, what would 0 represent? Well, we've said 0 is going to represent sea level. All right, so points above 0. Well, points above 0 would be above sea level. Okay, or positive elevation. And points below 0, they would be below sea level or negative elevation. All right, and then for the last question here, which is farther from sea level? The deepest point in the ocean, that would be Mariana Trench, or the top of the highest mountain in the world, that would be Mount Everest. So again, let's compare these two. So Mariana Trench is 11,033 meters below sea level. Mount Everest is 8,848 meters above sea level. Okay, we already know that the highest point is higher than the lowest point, of course, but that's not what the question asks. The question asks which one is furthest from sea level or furthest from 0. Well, Mariana Trench is furthest from 0. Okay, it's 11,033 meters, so Mariana Trench is furthest from 0.